What's up crazy people, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. Today is the day of the event that is Young Indians 4.0. So as I told you, I am representing my college from Hyderabad and the event is today and tomorrow. So I will give you guys two separate vlogs. So the destination that we are having it is in Vasavi Engineering College and then our stay is 2 minutes away from there, that is in Taramati. So the accommodation and everything is taken place by them itself. We have to do nothing. We are just the participants and we're going to learn and explore. So the topic is like health, and then I have got my 2 states that I had to research on, and then I have to make policies that can go to the government, and if the government is really liking those policies, it might implement it, who knows. Okay, for some brief information, from 12 colleges and 75 participants, they had to choose just 4 people, and I am one of them. So we have 2 boys, that is one is from Badruka, who is one of our family members itself. I wish him all the best. And another guy is from Avinash College. The other girl is the one who is my co-participant right now in my topic is from which college? Vanita Mahavidyalaya, and I am from Bhavans Vivekananda College. So I will be representing my college, and it's a proud moment because 75 members is a very big number, and 4 getting selected. The guys have gone to Kochi for the topic road safety, and the girls are here for the health competition. So it's a really grateful thing. I'm going to evolve some knowledge, embrace it in my head, and then it's a great motive to be there and participate in such things because you get to know a lot. The 2 days is just about learning. It's not about winning and losing. My aim was to participate in such things and know better. So this will give me a goal to learn more, and I will learn from my mistakes again if I make any. So that is the thing. And yeah, so once I reach the college, I will show you how is it going, and probably I'll introduce all my co-participants. I haven't met them yet, but once I meet them, I'll do that. Guys, we reached the destination. Now I'm heading to my room. Guys, I have my co-participants from Kochi. This is Kripa and that's Aksa. Really nice to meet them, and they're happy that they met me from Hyderabad.
The first person the only person I know from Hyderabad is.
So now I have to make some arrangements for Hyderabad biryani for them.
Yes.
Sure.
Not just Hyderabad biryani, all the things special in Hyderabad.
I'll be your tourist guide.
Yes. Sure. We got Hansika, yeah. And we have 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days. Hi. We're now heading to the college. Yeah. I have to keep updating my subscribers.
Start defining those, ideating those, and build that prototype, give it to their employees and ask them to test. When the employees test, right, which is your next step, when the employees start testing, this is where they will get the feedback, right? The employees will say that, the display is not working, the phone is
How was lunch?
So good.
But nobody is satisfied because they didn't eat.
Gulab jamun was good, okay.
Are you missing Hyderabadi biryani?
Yeah, of course.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you miss it?
100. I want Hyderabad biryani right now.
Sad. Now we have our event which is gonna start and we are very nervous. Guys say hi. Hello. Good. I'm teaching my Malayalam friends Telugu. Tell what you learnt.
Cheppandi.
Yeah, that's the only thing I learned. Chappandi.
Cheppandi. You can tell Naku Hyderabad nachindi. Tell.
Naku Hyderabad
Nachindi.
Nachindu.
Nachindi.
Naku Hyderabad nachindi.
Yeah,
That's
that
Hindi.
means you like Hyderabad. Now we have fashion show. Say hi. Jemima. Hi.
Because they couldn't afford new ones. Now their methods, which have been honed over the past 100 years, could offer a way forward for a more sustainable fashion world.
Awesome! Let the show begin.
Work it.
The winner, Shen Shong. Congratulations. Can we have you on stage, please? You've been an amazing audience. Thank you very much. And here we come to an end.
Guys, these people are all the people who did fashion show with sustainable what? Development. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ మా ఈవెంట్ ఉందన్నమాట. How are you feeling? Stressed? Oh, say future. YI rocks. రే మనకి ఇట్లా మొత్తం నర్వస్నెస్ అవుతుంది రా లోపల. సో అక్కడ అరేంజ్ చేసినారు చూడండి, అక్కడ జడ్జెస్ కూర్చుంటారు, అక్కడ మేము ప్రెజెంట్ చేస్తాము.
0% stress. వాడిని చూడు అసలు స్ట్రెస్ లేదు.
అదే అన్ని చూడండి, అసలు స్ట్రెస్ లేదు ముఖంలో.
చూడండి
టాక్ మలయాళం ఎడా మోనే.
സുഖമല്ല എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷം നമ്മ സീനാണ്
విశేషం వాట్సాప్
വാട്സപ്പ് എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷം മീൻസ് വാട്സപ്പ്
వాట్ ఎందుకడ విశేషం
എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷം
ఎందుకు విశేషం
That thing.
విష్ మీ లక్. సో my number for participating on the stage is 2nd. ఎందుకు పుట్టినా అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు అప్పుడప్పుడు. అంత అట్లీస్ట్ 9 అని ఉంటే బాగుండ్రా. సో దే ఆర్ స్వీపింగ్ ద స్టేజ్ నౌ. డోంట్ ఫీల్ టెన్స్డ్. షీఈ్ ఆల్ gone bonkers. This is an crazy auditorium, guys. akkada rakundu all Arshud was going on here.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
In is there for us.
So in Malayalam, like you say Malayalam instead of Malayalam, and we say
Telugu.
Yeah.
తెలుగు అంటున్నారు మ్యామ్. తెలుగు అంట.
ఊ అంట మా మామ.
0 Regional Health Finals. Our students were a little apprehensive about the crowd and they had asked me how much of an audience is there. You guys are my superstars today and I'm sure you're going to do a great job. And I'm really, really emotional and happy that no matter what happened in all your states, with all the situation with the weather, you all are here today. So congratulations, give yourself a huge round of applause. And like I promised you,
So, Young Indians was started in the year 2002 with an aim to converge, lead, influence, and co-create the youth for today and tomorrow. So that's why we are all here. So the events which led to this day started a month before, wherein each Yuva chapter had a conclave in a chapter level, and two best students were taken. The two best brains of each chapter were selected, and right now here we have 13 of them with us.
Insurance and risk management sector makes him an invaluable asset to our judging panel with us, and we look forward to the insightful contributions they will bring to the judging process at the event today. Now let's welcome our young
come into being. The population in Odisha is mainly rural population. So that being said, we can understand what kind of thought process they have, what is their maybe.
Congratulations to the winner. Where's your runner-up? Guys, we have the runner-up. Show. Show me your award. Yeah, let's go. Interview. How are you feeling? Aksa was basically shivering when she got. Show me the. Dun. This guy is sleep deprived since morning. He's not understanding what to do. Please give him a bed also.
No. I need a bed.
Guys, in rain. We are coming back. Who's this? Is this a ghost? Hi. Hello. Trying not to get my face wet, but I'm feeling. Bro, what do you think I'm doing? Sleep boy, say hi. We are back to our rooms and we are damn tired. Look at that face, you'll understand. Please, I'll come back when I'm eating biryani, or else I won't come back. Bye. You should do the normal
Please, why are you vlogging me?
Because you have to be there in the vlog.
Okay.
Oh, Kiran is also there. Come.
Am I looking? Okay.
You are looking handsome only. You tell hi.
Hi, who is this?
Hi, who is this?
Say hi. This is my vlog. YouTube.
Hi, this is Kiran.
From where?
From Hubli, Karnataka.
And you also should tell, no?
I am Yashas. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Wow. I don't understand anything. I'm taking them so that they'll eat chicken biryani now.
Understand completely.
Kiran is gonna buy me these jewels.
Yes, I am going to buy for you this.
Thank you, Kiran. I am appreciating your effort.
Just now I got
Did you look at him? He's gonna buy me those jewels.
Yes, I thought so, but just now they told they are just to showcase. They are not for
No.
sale.
Do you guys know those are real pearls? Kiran, that's real
I think
pearls.
that time is that jewelry shop is past, right?
That's real pearls. Do you get it?
Real pearls.
Real pearls, that is.
You know who is Tara?
Guys,
we will come back here again.
listen. You don't tell me. I'm from Hyderabad. Look at that. That you see? Yeah. There only she would sing. We can go and we can sit there.
She was singing there.
Yeah, she would sing there. And the king in the Golconda would hear her voice.
From here.
From here. It echoes from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You didn't say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Who is this?
The
So this is our
sweetest
favorite ma'am,
the
sweetest
beautiful ma'am.
We have got her on
Yeah.
Teachers' Day.
Yeah, we have got you on Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much. I'm so honored. The reason I am their favorite is because my parents, I would like to attribute this to my parents, my supporting husband, and
Wow.
my 2 children who give me a lot of time to do all these things.
So
They are
beautiful.
very supportive.
It deserves a clap thing.
So
Yeah. Hi to my vlog.
and introduction.
Hi everyone, so happy to meet this lovely crowd coming from all parts of southern India, showing their talent and skill. And I saw a lot of enthusiasm today, and going forward I think they'll all become great people, and then probably I'll have to take autographs.
Wow, thank you, sir. And all of them are waiting for chicken biryani, despite the vegetarians. Hey, look at that. Now go grab your hands on the biryani.
Clicked about it. And I got up and I said, is it your birthday? And she's like, I said, well then there's lovely music, let's dance. And then I started dancing, and in that quiet restaurant, people got up and they started dancing. Couples and everyone, remember?
Why are you seeing like that? You'll have to remove that. Take that with you as a memory.
What is this called?
Matka kulfi. मटका कुल्फी
है ना?
मैम ये लोगों को बोलना कि ये उनके साथ हैदराबाद का मेमोरी जैसा लेके जाए. डब्बा का ऊपर का. Guys, తినేసాము. ఇప్పుడు రూమ్స్ దగ్గర వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాము. It is a crazy experience. We are staying in Taramati, like I told you. Everybody is coming behind. వర్షం పడుతుంది. చూడొచ్చు మీరు. You all look like ghosts. Okay, so that was all about day one, guys. So much to learn, so many beautiful people all around the country coming over, making new friends, networking, such a lovely experience. I don't come with expectations of winning or losing, but then I just come with the motivation of participating every time and embracing new things, learning new things, because these are all lessons that are going to teach me. These are experiences that are going to make me a better person in the coming days for my upcoming goals. So yeah, again, all of us are just sitting and chilling because we just have 2 days. We are like sleep pote pony, but we'll enjoy. So we have people from so many other states. All of us are like a family now. That happens every time. So now I just came to end the vlog. Tomorrow we have a set of events again. So yeah, day 2 will be posted soon. Until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. Stay safe and yeah, bye bye.